you run a small business, you know that everyone is on Facebook today. You also know that there are thousands and thousands of Facebook users living within 10 to 50 miles of your business location. If you're like a lot of people, you've created a Facebook page that has only a few hundred fans and very little engagement when you post on it. If this is the case for you, your Facebook page is not earning its keep. There is a better way to generate sales and leads for your business on Facebook. Or maybe you are spending a lot of time posting your offers in free marketplace groups and you are disappointed with the response you're getting. If this is the case for you, there is a better way to generate sales and leads for your business on Facebook. If you are frustrated with Facebook, or if you lack the time or expertise to market your business on Facebook, consider outsourcing it to me. I have short-term and long-term marketing strategies. At least one of them is sure to be right for your business, and my rates are surprisingly affordable. Here are just a few of the services I offer. I can create a video just like this one to promote your product or service. You supply the digital images and I take care of the rest. Once your video is finished, we can run a paid campaign to put it in front of thousands of targeted Facebook users who live within 10 to 50 miles of your business. I can manage your Facebook page and grow it by at least 1,000 new Facebook users every month. These are Facebook users that can be targeted by age, gender, location, and interests. I can make regular daily posts to your Facebook page, and each of these posts will include a description of your offer, your telephone number, and a link to your website. Let's face it, everyone is on Facebook today. If you are not effectively utilizing this incredible marketing tool, you are missing out on an incredible opportunity. Click the link for a free consultation or call me. My name is Mike at 480-626-0055. Thanks for viewing this message and have a great day.